Welcome to the world of General Motors. As a GM vehicle owner, you're part of a community that values innovation, convenience, and connectivity. That's where our suite of mobile apps comes in, designed to enhance your GM ownership experience. First up is myChevrolet. With this app, you can start your engine remotely and warm up or cool down your vehicle. Lock and unlock your doors with the touch of a button, check your vehicle's health and schedule maintenance with your preferred dealer, and access exclusive offers and rewards through Chevrolet Rewards. Next is myBuick. This app offers many of the same features as myChevrolet, including remote start, door lock and unlock, and vehicle health checks. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive Buick rewards and offers. myGMC is our app designed specifically for GMC owners. With this app, you'll enjoy features like remote start, door lock and unlock, and vehicle health checks. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive GMC rewards and offers. For our Cadillac owners, we have the myCadillac app. This app offers a range of premium features, including remote start, door lock and unlock, and vehicle health checks. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive Cadillac rewards and offers. Last but not least is OnStar. This app offers a range of safety and security features, including emergency services and roadside assistance, stolen vehicle assistance and tracking, vehicle diagnostics and maintenance alerts, and hands-free calling and navigation. That's it for our tour of the General Motors mobile apps. Whether you own a Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac, we have an app designed to enhance your ownership experience. Download yours today and discover a whole new world of convenience, connectivity, and rewards.